You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store. Hi, I'm Jessie, and I'm a mom who loves to craft, especially using Crayola glitter dots. Today I'm going to show you some fun and cute DIY presents that you can make for Mother's Day. So today we're going to be doing a DIY picture frame and a gorgeous glittery necklace. Okay, let's get started. Crayola glitter dots are awesome, especially if your kid loves glitter, which is beautiful, but it gets everywhere. It's all over the carpets, it's all over the couch. This is the solution. Glitter dots are the less mess way to play with glitter. I went to my local craft store and I got a couple of things, and this was one of them. It's just a wooden frame. Wood is really great to decorate using Crayola glitter dots because it sticks to it really well. Also, we're gonna need painter's tape. Okay, let's start. So to decorate this frame, let's use a hack that I like to use. I took my painter's tape and I cut them into these little strips. So my little strips that I cut out, I'm gonna kind of make little triangle patterns onto my frame using the painter's tape. Make sure that you leave a little bit on the edge so you can peel it off, and that's gonna leave a really nice straight line. Okay, so this is what your frame should look like whenever you're all done using your painter's tape. I've already pre-peeled a couple of glitter dots. We're gonna use this really beautiful blue from the Tropical Colors package, some pink from the Tropical Colors package, and this really pretty turquoise color from the Tropical Colors pack. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix them all together to make one marbling color. Go ahead and put some pieces of your beautiful glitter dot ball all over your frame. You're gonna go ahead and just kind of press it onto your frame, onto the painter's tape. This is a good time to have your kid help you out with this because, you know, it feels really nice, it's really satisfying, and it's not too difficult to do. And now let's just roll this out. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hand roller from the Sparkle Station. If you don't know what that is, check out the link in the description below. All right, so let's go ahead and roll this out. Ooh, it's so satisfying. Make sure you cover all the sides. You don't wanna see any wood left. All right, this side looks done, and let's go ahead and do the whole entire picture frame. All right, this looks really good. Just make sure you press it down where it's nice and flat. So what we're gonna do is peel the tape right off the top. I love how it makes these really defined lines. Ooh, it looks so pretty. I love it. The finishing touches, a picture of my mom and my daughter. I love it. It's so cute. I love it. Let's make a DIY necklace. Okay, so I went to the craft store and I got this cool little necklace. It's just an empty locket. And the cool thing about this is there's two sides. So one side I was thinking about putting the picture, and the other side I was gonna decorate with glitter dots. For this, I'm gonna use some yellow and some orange. Both of these are from the Tropical Color package. All right, let's do the mixing hack that we did earlier. So my mom's favorite color is orange, so I think this is gonna be pretty perfect for her. Press it into one side. That looks beautiful, super bling bling. Other side, I just printed out a little picture of my daughter. Ah, picture of my daughter Stacy and bling bling. Super easy to make, super fun to make with your daughter or your son for a great Mother's Day present. You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.